evening, everyone. I want to show you how you can install fonts on Pixellab. So, you've downloaded your fonts, you are given a font. Downloads. Now, this is the font I want to install. So, I want to install this font on Pixellab so I'll be able to use it in editing my flyer. So, I'll open my Pixellab application. I'll add text, or let's use this text. Then I'll come to the edit in text edit layer. I'll come to fonts. Then I'll come to my fonts. Then I'll click on this icon. Then I'll click on downloads. Then I'll look for it. Here it is. Then I'll add directory. You see it, the font is there. The font is there. Now I can use it. I can use the font to edit my flyer. Okay, thanks for viewing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Thanks very much.